Okay, we're rolling.
Hello, I'm Carrie Blough. I'm one of the curators here at the DAR Museum, and we have an unboxing for you today.
Ooh.
Something we won at auction. So I'm going to open it down here. This box is really misleading. It's not this big. But that just means they packed it really well. Oh no, we got a lot of packing peanuts.
Oh boy. Ooh, second box. Okay.
Okay. How many boxes will there be? Well, there's definitely more packing peanuts.
Making a mess in here. Uh-oh.
No more boxes.
Oh, wow.
So this handsome, beautiful, lovely, alkaline glazed stoneware jar was made in Alabama in the mid-19th century. We don't have any ceramics made in Alabama. We have some made in South Carolina, some made in Texas. So this is going to be great to show with them and to compare and contrast. And we won this at auction, and we were only able to get this because of the generosity of the Alabama State Regents Project.
Yay.
That contributed funds so that we could get this. So we're very excited. We'll put it on display and tell you more about it. But look at its lovely
It's
little
pretty.
handles.
Look at that. Yeah. That glaze is interesting.
It
I
is.
like that.
It is. It's a very particular type of
unique.
glaze, common in those areas. But it was made by the Davidson family in Blount County, Alabama, in like 1860-ish. So they have all sorts of different styles, but this was a very common style, very common form in the mid-19th century.
Yay.
Yay.